Come richiedere HEX? Per prima cosa vai alla descrizione di questo video e clicca sul referral link. Questo è il sito dove puoi richiedere e gestire i tuoi HEX. Ora bisogna installare Metamask. Vai al sito metamask.io e segui le istruzioni. Nel tuo browser Metamask comparirà in alto a destra. Clicca sull'icona con la testa di volpe e inserisci la tua password. Collega la pagina web di HEX a Metamask cliccando su Connect e poi di nuovo su Connect. Questa è la pagina dove andranno destinati i tuoi HEX. Puoi metterli in modalità risparmio, trasferirli o comprarli. Clicca su Claim. Apri il wallet ELECTRUM. Copia l'indirizzo Bitcoin con il quale vuoi richiedere gli HEX. Incollalo sul sito di HEX. Clicca su Claim this address o copia il messaggio, torna al tuo wallet Electrum e vai alla sezione Tools, Strumenti e clicca su Firma, verifica messaggio. Incolla il messaggio generato, incolla l'indirizzo Bitcoin nel riquadro Address, clicca su Sign, copia la firma e incollala sul sito di HEX nel riquadro Signature. Scegli il periodo di tempo per il quale vuoi tenere i tuoi HEX in modalità risparmio. Clicca su Submit Claim, conferma la transazione su Metamask. Ricorda che si necessitano pochi centesimi di Ethereum sul tuo account Metamask per poter realizzare la transazione. Una volta terminata con successo la transazione, la quantità di HEX che riceverai compare in basso. Adesso clicca sull'opzione Stake. In basso noterai come la quantità di HEX messi a risparmio è il 90% del totale. Se volessimo mettere a risparmio anche il restante 10%, scegli la quantità di HEX che vuoi mettere a risparmio. Seleziona per quanti giorni vuoi mantenere i tuoi HEX in modalità risparmio e poi clicca su Stake e poi dai conferma su Metamask. In basso vedrai come si sono creati due conti di HEX in modalità risparmio, con differenti quantità e per diversi periodi. Ed è fatta! Benvenuto a HEX!
Meet Richard. Richard is a sovereign individual with money to invest. He wants an income-producing asset, but he does not want to buy overpriced stocks, bubble-priced real estate, or leave his cash in a bank where they can survey, censor, and devalue his money. For people like Richard, there's HEX. HEX is the first savings account on the blockchain, with up to 20% interest a year. HEX is a decentralized and immutable code running on the Ethereum blockchain, so you have safety, anonymity, and complete independence. How to get your HEX? HEX is free for Bitcoin holders. In order to claim this airdrop, you will need 1. Bitcoin in your own wallet, 2. An Ethereum address to receive your HEX, and 3. A claim tutorial that you will find on the HEX information website, hexwin.com. Once you receive your HEX, stack them, because you can get up to 300% HEX in bonuses the first year. Why HEX is the best store of value ever created? Bitcoin inflation goes to miners. They have been mostly bad actors of the Bitcoin ecosystem and need to sell coins, making Bitcoin's price go down. HEX, instead, transfers inflation to savers, who lock up their coins to gain interests. Those coins disappear from the market and create scarcity. Besides, HEX has a penalty of 50% interests if you unstack your coins before time. Those coins are given free to the stackers. So, who is going to sell in a bear market? Let me show you how to get a good monthly income stream. Imagine you have 1 Bitcoin and get your 10,000 HEX free airdropped. Then you buy some more HEX. Use the adoption amplifier, click on the description, or go to hexwin.com. You can get lots of HEX low price, especially the first weeks. So, 10,000 HEX plus, let's say, 50,000 HEX equals 60,000 HEX. Now we will put this HEX in a monthly 5-year savings period. 12 months times 5 years equals 60 months. That makes 60 stacks of 1,000 HEX each, one for every month of the 5 years. You will be getting 50% interests at the end of the 5-year period on every stack of 1,000 HEX. First stack, you put it 1 month stacking period. Second stack, 2 months stacking period. Third stack, 3 months. And so on until 60th stack, you put it 60 months. Once end of the month arrives, take profits and restack again for 60 months. It's that easy. That way, you will be getting a monthly income stream that will be growing through the years until in year 5, you can get up to 50% interest a month on your 1000 HEX stack. Any questions? Go to the HEX information website, hexwin.com. And what about HEX value? Crypto is volatile, everybody knows. But we also know that crypto is going to go up higher and higher through the years. Monthly profits will be valued depending on the market price, but as a long-term holder, your stack is immutable. HEX is designed for crypto holders. Why? Because the longer you hold your coins, the more income you receive, because most people will hold as they cannot sell due to unstacked penalties. That way, HEX will be a safe haven crypto on times of bear market, attracting even more buyers. HEX is the best financial product ever created. It provides big monthly income, and it is designed to be low volatility to the downside. And the first year will be explosive in price, as 90% of free coins are forced stake, and there is up to 300% HEX in bonuses for all stacked coins. So relax. Sit and watch how the old multi-trillion banking business model crumbles in the coming financial crisis, transferring its wealth to the new blockchain banking. Visit the HEX information website, hexwin.com, and get informed now.